Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 4, P19, Shipping Machining. Start from M. Sapril Indra Kuswara.
Shipping machining. Shipping machining is a metal or other material processing process that involves cutting or removing material from the workpiece using cutting tools. This process aims to shape the workpiece into a certain size, shape, or surface according to the desired specification.
The cutting process. The cutting process in shipping machining involves removing material from a work parts using a cutting tool to produce a specific shape, size, or surface. This process produces or flakes of material as a byproduct. In general, this cutting process can be explained through the following steps. 1. Preparation step. Crimping of workpiece, selection of cutting tools, parameter setting. 2. Initial contact of the cutting tool with the workpiece. When the cutting tool begins to come into contact with the surface of the workpiece, the cutting force begins to work. Pressure from the cutting tool causes plastic deformation of the surface of the workpiece. 3. Chip formation, fragments of material, elastic deformation, plastic deformation, separation of material. 4. Materials removal. The cutting tools continues to move across the workpiece, produce chips continuously. These chips can be in the form of rolls, continuous chips, small chips, discontinuous chips, or fragments depending on the type of material and cutting parameters. 5. Final completion. After the cutting process is complete, the workpiece is inspected to ensure the size, shape, and surface quality comply with specification. Sometimes additional cutting process, such as finishing using a grinding machine, are performed to produce a smoother surface or higher precision.
Basic principles of sewing milling. Sewing involves a cutting tool that has served the move, strike, back and forth movement, as in a reciprocating chainsaw, manual saw, or power hacksaw. Rotation, such as on a bit-saw or circular saw.
Milling is one of the main processes in shipping. Mechaning, which is used to remove material from the workpiece using a rotating cutting tool, called a cutter. This process allows the creation of a variety of shapes, size, and profile, from flat, curved to complex shapes such as grooves, grid, and shroud. Next to Johannes.
Drilling. Basic principles of drilling. A drill bit is a cylindrical cutting tool with a sharp conical tip. The drill bit rotates on its main axis rotation while applying compressive force feed towards the workpiece. When the drill bit rotation and contacts the surface of the workpiece, the material is cut, forming chips, and a hole is created. Rizky. Okay, I will explain turning and grinding. Turning. Basic principles of turning is 1. The workpiece rotates. 2. Silent cutting tool. 3. When the cutting tool contacts the rotating workpiece, the material is cut and chips are formed so that workpiece takes the desired shape. Okay, and I will explain grinding. Grinding is one of the main process in chipping machining, which is used to remove material from the workpiece using an abrasive wheel. Parenthesis grinding wheel. This process aims to produce high precision dimension, very smooth surface quality, or form workpiece with complex shapes. Grinding is usually used a finishing process after rock coating. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
you.